Good morning, kahit hindi na morning. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the chaos. Okay, so hindi pa ako tapos sa chores ko. Umuwi lang ako saglit kasi ang dami kong dala. Bumili ako ng dog food and cat food kasi. Now, I'm gonna be answering a question some of y'all OGs asked me. Like, ate, So, yung mga OG dyan, alam nyo naman na ang original content format ko is beauty-related. Mga product reviews, mga product launches, like, nakaka-receive ako ng PR dati. Bakit natigil? May ilalabas ako. Ihanda nyo mga charing. Tumigil lang talaga siya kasi nga, di na ako nagpo-post. Tumigil ako. Nag-switch ako ng niche. And may mga products na pinadala sa akin na nagka-adverse effect sa akin, which I have to let the brand know. Instead na ipopost ko at alam mo yun, sasabihin ko yung masama, di na lang ako mag-talk, te. Ako kasi, the way I do my reviews on YouTube is, like, I go the, nitty-gritty talaga. Like, I say kung ano yung nag-work sa akin, ano yung hindi, locally available ba siya, yung mga ganon. Kaya, may mga brands ayaw yun. Kaya mas prefer ko to go into the consumer route, hindi yung maging influencer ako. Like, I'll be honest with you, I like being more of a consumer reviewer than an influencer. Bakit? Kasi pag nasa consumer route ka, free reign, you can say whatever you wanna say, you can like voice out your opinion. Pag influencer ka kasi medyo nakakatakot. You are like, alam niyo ng mga kilala kong influencer, you are under a contract with a brand. Okay? Kahit sabihin mong hindi ka required to say these things, but you do have. Like, I'll be honest with y'all, I was in a lot of influencer contracts before. And ako kasi, as much as possible, I say the good, the bad, and the ugly on my reviews. So if I'm under contract, it has to be reviewed bago ako mag-post. And, girl, nakaka-stress pag meron kang deadlines. Like, ate, kaka-stress. Sa mga OG dyan, alam nyo paano ako mag-review. Like, if I really like the product, it's a not really a very long form content. Pero pag di ko siya gusto, alam nyo yan. Kilala nyo to. Talagang, ayoko manira ng brand, promise. Will I be back posting product reviews? Yes, of course. I am very much excited. However, subalit tatapot, wala ako masyadong tools, like lighting and all. So, iniisipan ko pa paano ko to gagawin. Kasi nai-stress ako pag hindi maganda yung ilaw. Okay, that's how OC I am. Kasi I want you guys to see like the nitty-gritty. Like, I don't put filters. I don't color grade. I just post it as it is. So, you guys know, like, what's the effect on my skin. Like, kukonti na lang ata, or ako na lang ata yung ganitong content creator. So, don't worry, soon I'll be posting product reviews of skincare, and hair care and body care. So, I have it all lined up na. Nakalista na film ko ng iba, i-edit ko na lang. So, yun. Shit, nagbabalik sa beauty si bakla. Hindi ko alam kung tatanggapin niyo pa rin ako. But I do hope that you guys like this video. And I know I have crossed platforms with this format. Kasi pag nasa Facebook, nasa TikTok, hindi pinapanood all throughout. But I hope you are in this part of the video. If you have any questions, go to the comment section. And I have to go. Bye!